Hi, and welcome to another session with Accelerate. So today we're going to be talking about the new filter function. Okay, so the filter function is a new function that was introduced this year by Microsoft on Excel, and it's actually only available on the Office 365 version of Microsoft Excel. So the filter function works just like how your normal filter would, filter for, name of company, and you take whatever names of company you want to take, or the department, whatever it is you want to filter. However, this makes it easy. So imagine you have a very large data set and you want to pick up a couple of just a few information from that data set. Filter function works just fine. Okay, so now we're going to explain how you can use this to not just find only um one determinant, or not just only use one determinant, but use two actually. So here we're going to search in this little data we have, look for people who work in Arizona company and also in the sales department of Arizona, and we'll see how that works. So one important thing you need to know about filter is that you do not necessarily need to start from the cell that you want to get information from. So what I mean by this is you do not need to go and start in departments to say, okay, what I'm looking for is sales, and I'll start from here, to put my filter function formula and all that. No, you don't need all of that. What you actually need is to start from where you want to get the information. So the information we want to get is the name of the individuals all the way down to the last item, which is company. I can also start from ID if I want to, but what I want right now is to just get the names of these people and every other information that they have. Okay, now let's find out who works in the sales department and also works in Arizona company. Say equal to filter, of course, how we normally use every functional formula. The array we're looking at is here. It's important to note that the moment you add ID to the array that you're looking for, the first information that pops up around here will be ID and not name. So you need to be careful. Okay, now this is the array we want to pick our information from, comma. What do we include? We want to include two things. So we'll open up a bracket for the first one, then open up another bracket for the second one. So bracket, we want to include the department. Okay. Now I will just make this an absolute reference. Function F4 for most versions of Excel, but mine is function F4. Then that has to equal this, which is sales. All right, that's what we are looking for. Then also make that an absolute reference as well. Okay, and close the bracket. Now with the way filter works, what you need to do is just to put a multiplication sign between all the parameters that you're looking for, and it gets that out for you. Okay, so you say star, open another bracket. I want it to also include company. All right, so let's go here. I want it to also include company, make it an absolute reference. And the company I want should be equal to Arizona. Simple, make it an absolute reference as well. Oops. Okay. Now, if we put our comma, if empty, what do you want it to have? I mean, if it's empty, let's have any. Okay, close and hit the enter. it populates it immediately for us. It gives us all the information we need. So this person who well, I don't know the name of the person works in the sales department and the company is Arizona. Okay, so here it is. And the beautiful thing about filter is that once any part of this data changes, it automatically populates itself. So what do I mean by this? So if this Elsia here who works in sales and works in Java, okay, the company information changes from Java to Arizona, it automatically populates that as well. Okay, so as far as you know, the array that you've picked, whatever information you want to change is within that particular array that you've picked, it would automatically populate that information for you. Okay, so I hope you've been able to learn something on the new filter function, and I hope it's going to help you with your your endeavors in your data analytics and all that. Okay, so guys, follow us on all our social media platforms. We're on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram at Accelerate on all platforms. Thank you so much and see you next time. Cheers.